This summer, we are doing an archaeological dig in the Southwest Meadow, and the reason why we're digging there is because last year's students used ground-penetrating radar in that area and found some disturbance there, so now we are investigating what that disturbance was.
So we're digging these units. Teamwork is a big part because it's really difficult to make a unit by yourself, so working with others and making sure you're making the correct square and document it correctly, and everyone has their own separate jobs.
There's a lot of math to figure out how you're supposed to dig, because we have to record where we dug exactly.
And just like tracking how low we're digging and really hoping we just find like artifacts from before.
So this summer we are working on the deinstallation of the Native American Indigenous Hall and learning about kind of the ethics of conservation and how we take care of these artifacts. And we're doing a research project on 2 artifacts of our choosing.
So for the summer, I'm in the archives department. Our first module was on archival descriptions. We get a box, do research, found a little bio, included that in my box, and then kind of determined if it was relevant, if researchers could access it, and what that process would look like. And our next process would be digitizing that.
This summer we are working on segmentation, where we are looking at CT scans.
Taking different fossils or anything that can be CT scanned and dividing them into different parts so they can be seen digitally.
And to prepare for 3D printing.
So in vertebrate zoology, we've been working on different birds like kites and kestrels. We've been pinning wings.
Gathering information on how it died, what happened, and then we're going to the genetics lab and we're going to take the information that we gathered and do DNA extractions. And then we're going to go down to collections and we're going to take all that information and then put it online and then organize the birds.
My favorite part of the program is really being able to interact with my mentors. They just love what they do, and how they project that to us and their image really kind of just shows us more about teamwork and how to enjoy archaeology or this experience we're having.
And they're really nice, and it's like really easy to talk to them.
It's been great, the camaraderie between intern and mentor.
This is something new, I think, to all of the scholars, so I have a lot of questions and they answer them, and it's really helpful, and they're really passionate about it, which honestly is refreshing.
The people that I work with, they are so nice, and yeah, they make the job more worthwhile.
Never been in a program that's like this. I think just like the environment, being in a museum has been very cool, being around other students like me and people who want to uplift me.
Honestly, the experience that I have, getting to work with different kinds of people, doing different kinds of projects, and just being here has been really fun.
Most of the time as a student, I feel like it's just being talked at, being told what to do, and to actually get that hands-on experience of just like opening things up, doing the research on your own, it kind of makes you feel like you're achieving something.
I feel like I'm becoming more responsible as a person, more outgoing, I guess, because here I feel like I'm able to be myself and be excited about the things I'm doing.
Overall, I just really like having a new experience and feeling what it's like to be in the workspace and just being able to have new friends.
My favorite part of the program has been making friends.
The sense of community that's here, I've created so many new friends.
I've always been a big fan of this museum, and I've loved science. I've actually wanted to do science as a career ever since I've been little. It's really fun. I get to see like all the behind the scenes stuff, what I normally don't get access to when I go visit the museum. It gives me a different perspective of it. It's really cool.
It was like really fun, kind of like a school program. It's just something that like I actually really enjoyed.
Actually being able to be here, that was amazing, and I will definitely take away everything that I learned to be able to think about what my future career may look like.
I'll definitely remember how curious I feel every day and how interested I am to learn more. That this museum has so much to offer, has so many different departments, and different jobs and different applications of certain things that I never knew existed. So just continuing to learn and taking away that knowledge into my life will be really nice.